may surprise you to learn that eating the wrong kind of nuts regularly could increase your risk of heart disease by up to 48%, especially if you're over 60. And yes, that number is backed by years of scientific studies published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology. Shocking, right? The worst part, many of the so-called healthy nuts people snack on every day might actually raise blood pressure, trigger inflammation, clog arteries, and even contribute to memory decline. There's one nut in particular, often promoted by low-carb enthusiasts, that has been linked to elevated levels of a chemical toxic to your kidneys, liver, and brain when consumed frequently. You probably have it in your snack bowl right now, unaware of the long-term harm it might be doing. But don't worry, this video has you covered. We've created the ultimate guide to nut eating for seniors, including which nuts to enjoy, which to avoid, and why your body may thank you years from now. So hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below where you're watching from. Let's dive in. First up, almonds. These bone-boosting powerhouses are rich in calcium, vitamin E, and magnesium. Just a quarter cup delivers 97 milligrams of calcium and 3.5 grams of fiber. Great for seniors facing brittle bones, constipation, and cholesterol. Bonus, their skin contains flavonoids that boost brain-protecting antioxidants. Next, walnuts, nature's brain food. Packed with omega-3s, polyphenols, and melatonin, they protect neurons, fight inflammation, and even promote sleep. Eating 7 walnut halves a day may improve memory and blood flow. Keep them in the fridge to preserve their oils. Third, pistachios, the blood pressure-friendly nut. High in potassium and low in sodium, they act like a natural blood pressure medication. Plus, the act of shelling them slows you down, helping prevent overeating. They're also rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, important for eye health in aging adults. And finally, Brazil nuts. Just 1 or 2 nuts deliver all the selenium your thyroid needs to regulate energy, metabolism, and mood. Over 20% of seniors suffer from undiagnosed thyroid issues, and Brazil nuts can help naturally, unlike synthetic supplements. But beware, there are also 4 nuts seniors should avoid. First, peanuts. Technically legumes, they're vulnerable to mold, aflatoxins, and contain omega-6s that worsen inflammation, joint pain, and blood pressure. They also interact with blood thinners like warfarin. Second, cashews. They spike blood sugar, impair calcium absorption, and may contribute to kidney stones. Their smooth shape also makes them a choking hazard. Third, macadamias, loaded with saturated fat and 200 calories per ounce. They're hard to digest and damage dental work. And fourth, pine nuts. These tiny troublemakers can interfere with over 60% of senior prescriptions, cause pine mouth with a metallic taste, and accelerate vision loss in certain people. Seniors, what you snack on matters. Even small changes in nut choices can transform your energy, digestion, memory, and heart health. So tell us, have you noticed a difference from switching nuts? Drop your story in the comments, hit subscribe for more senior health tips, and if this video helped, type 1 below.